Going on a trip. The vlog begins now. Yes, yes. We have a pool, guys. Oh my god, it's like a rocking chair type of thing and a jacuzzi. How did you get here? What are you doing here?
Halal and vegetarian.
Halal or vegetarian? Or both? Basu.
For mango tea and half kg, about 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Nice.
The food looks so legit, but I'm so not hungry. Benny, what are you buying?
It's got like 2 skewers.
Which one? What are these?
It's chicken, grilled chicken,
Oh, and two milk chicken.
and grilled chicken.
Dude, it looks so good.
I'm like,
Don't go. I don't care. I need it. I need it.
Just he looks great, right?
Oh my god, it's so good.
you want
Oh my god, we're in the freaking. We were pissed that the minimart
peanut
sucked.
butter is probably easier.
Okay.
Yeah, more than enough.
Yeah, in a huge ass mall.
It's so big.
It's like Costco.
I feel like I should bring your
The manga syrup. How does it smell? Yeah.
smells wangi.
Wangi, manga wangi syrup. Or syrup wangi. Good morning.
Dumb, no smile. Okay, this is
We're waiting for the boat. Oh, yes we are. Hey, my throat kind of hurts. Is it COVID?
Better now.
Is it COVID?
big golden boys high
Happy brownie.
in the sky, shining like it's in my eyes. The light feels so fine. Grow of flowers in my mind. I don't know why. Just take my hand and get away through this night. So climbing on rocks are kind of fun because you're not sure what you're supposed to put your hands on, and there's nothing really wrong about where you put your hands. So you have to kind of optimize your own route lah.
Okay. The possibilities are endless.
And like,
How hard is it?
I think if you get your footwork right, you won't be hard. Yeah, it's all about footwork. I can see the sunshine. I can see the moonlight. With you the sun is rising. With you the moon is shining. Lay down with me to the end of.
Wow, this pad thai What do you order?
I don't remember. Okay.
Meeting shit.
Is it? Maybe they're all like.
They're fighting.
Hello.
Hello.
We are on our way to get our first ever massage. I mean, my first ever massage.
First time massage.
Yes, first time massage.
Oh my god.
I get my peaches out Georgia.
오예시
I get my weed from California.
대대시
I took my chick up to the north side.
He's staring at me. He yawned.
Extra rules that the expression adds on. So we can choose to play them or not, up to you guys. It is, as I said, sometimes the house is the traitor, so you fight the house. 0. Nice. Put a plant token in this room and take this card. When the horn revealed, when any hero. Oh!
We're making breakfast. I burned bread yesterday, but that was... Good morning. We are in this galaxy of a van. And we're on our way to... Where are we going on? The hot spring and Emerald Pool.
How you be doing it?
Hello.
Hey guys.
I didn't hear her heat coming from the ground.
I read it from the heat coming.
Speaking gibberish already.
This looks legit actually.
Overnight.
Bigger. What's your problem?
Everything's fine.
This is Pravin's first time
Eating anything of this sort?
Yeah, he has never tried bingsu.
Let's see.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Mmm. It's like ice cream.
No. Shake ice. So sweet. Why did you add that much?
It's not my fault. You did it.
I was gonna do a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
I did a little bit of this only. Like barely anything. It's melting. We got
Okay, okay. Damn. No love.
Aviators go well for anyone.
I want to take more spoon. Okay.
I'm getting the corn.
Yeah, corn. There's some purple rice.
Oh no. Oh, sorry.
Okay, cheers.
No one's listening.
Thoughts. I'm a bit confused.
The nuts and the corn go well together.
Think of any. Okay, I'll try behind the screen. This is normal nut.
With taro and some corn in it.
The nuts are nice.
You right?
Yeah.
The nuts and the rice and the corn.
I feel they all are nice separately, but together, I'm not
Yeah,
so
I
sure.
don't think you're supposed to.
Together.
Confused.
I think the nuts and the corn go well together. Drinks.
First time trying lot chong.
Lot chong.
Lot chong.
This is Chendo.
I told you.
Not the Chendo.
We just got 2 shirts. We did.
We did. We almost
I'm happy with your purchases.
We panicked.
One match has multiple games, one game has multiple turns. What this
Good morning. Actually, it's almost 12. But, it's hot. I need my shoes. We're gonna climb. It's our second day.
Am I supposed to
Second
talk?
climbing day.
Okay.
Yeah, feel free.
Hi, nice to meet you guys. I'm my nurse number is
Anyway, I
Nice,
lost my
nice,
cap. I lost my cap, which I bought for this trip.
my home
So I'm wearing this
address
jungle
is-
hat.
home address is
Honestly, like, it's better shape. What about? You know, you hear the entire convo. off, I guess. It's 6 p.m. It's the end of the climbing day. I haven't had a chance to vlog because I've just been so tired. But anyway, your boy's climbing. Oh, there he is. We just finished climbing and we're gonna head back to Auna. So freaking tired. But first time climbing outdoors was so fun.
You know what's nice?
What is?
About this place? It's less tourists. It's just, it feels like we have to place ourselves. Look at how empty this place is.
Everyone's gone home, that's why.
Anything to damage? Actually, can I speak country? Oh my.
I'm feeling a little queasy.
50% queasy, I'll report later.
What's the other 50%?
50% comfortable.
I'm not neutralized.
No, no. I'm like, yeah, skill is. I'm not feeling alright.
Like, it was raining for most of this morning.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, time to go.
Instead of pulling,
Hi!
back.
I don't know if this can see anything. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my god, so nice. Left, right, left. Take the rabbit. Take the rabbit. Oi.
Okay, go.
Rabbit, can you stop?
You're holding it wrong. What do you mean?
Yeah, the other way, the other way. Both of you are holding it wrong.
Oh. Oh.
We were handicapped this whole time?
Okay. Turn left a bit. Turn left a bit.
Left, what?
I'm sorry. Turn right a bit. Fuck.
You don't know what's left and right?
Sorry.
Left, go. Go first now. Hello.
I'm tired. 5 minutes.
5 minutes and you're dead. You died.
Hey. We're going to a cave. Taha almost impaled himself. It's a video. We have like a nice slab of shell. It is a sedimentary rock.
What we have here is
You can
one
see.
local customer called weed.
Wow.
As a
Wow. Really fossils.
and sewage.
Yeah.
Archaeological.
Is it hand in hand?
Skin. Oh, head. I took my head.
The two of us saying different things.
It's beautiful, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I don't think you can see that. Okay. But look at that. Look at them fools over there. We're on the lead. We're on the lead. You're winning.
Oh my god, these are good photos of you.
Oh, I was doing this the wrong side the whole time.
Caught on video. Oops.
4K.
Caught in 4K, seriously. Cut the cameras, dead ass. Let me see if there's any fish. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. We just cut down some trees.
So, you might be wondering how I got myself this.
Wait, what do I do with this? I'm just gonna put you in my mouth, alright? It does not fit.
We are in a lagoon. What are you muttering about? What do you order? Pineapple rice.
Egg fried rice. Thank you. 60 minutes, 30.
My foot is numb. I can't move. I can't move. Last meal. And we didn't get Thai food.
None of us.
Now we got Thai food. We are leaving.